Hey everyone, welcome to Business Website Mastery, where I help you to build and grow your business online. In today's episode, I will walk you out through setting up Google Analytics, the tools that give you powerful insight about your website visitors. If you want to track where your traffic is coming from, what page perform best, and how to improve your site, this is a must tools you need. Stick around to the end and I will share you a free Google Analytics checklist to help you get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more business website tips. Let's dive in. First step, go to Google Analytics website or type it on Google Analytics, and it will take you to this page. Click on Start Measuring. Account details. Now create an account. So yeah, my new account name. Just write a name that you remember when you want to install it on your website. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I will be writing tutorial. Click on this. Then next, property name. Just put property names. Let me write to property names. Just write a name that you can remember as well. So yeah. I'm in Nigeria, so you choose your region. Yeah, Nigeria. Click on next. Business description. Select your industry. For the purpose of the tutorial, I'll be clicking on education. Business size. If you are if you are a sole proprietorship, you can click on small business scales, which from 1 to 10 employee, and click next. The next page is choose your business objective. So you need to check in on this generate lead. If you want to generate leads, if you want to know how leads are generated on your website, if you are e-commerce website, maybe you are selling goods, you are selling something, click on drive sales to just check what is going on your website. And if you have a website and either you have a website or app, you can also click on this to see how where traffic is coming from, engagement, view engagement, click on this. So for the purpose of this tutorial, because the website I'm connecting this with, I'm not selling anything there, so I have to click off this drive sales. And now you have to click on create. Nigeria, click on your region and read. If you have time, you have to read all this time and condition. Just scroll down and then click on accept. Without accepting, you can't move forward, so you have to click on the accept and say I accept. Now account is created. So we have to choose the platform you are using. This is where you have to know what type of website. Maybe you are connected to your website, or you are connected to your app, Android app or iOS app. For the purpose of this tutorial, we are connecting with web. So here you will write your valid website URL and write your website name here. Yes. Now click on create and continue. Now you have already created your account on Google Analytics. So the next thing now is to connect your account to your website by clicking on your property URL. Click on field data, field tag instruction. Now if you are installing Google Analytics manually, you click on install manually. You copy the link, you copy the code, paste it on your website, on your backend website. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are using WordPress. We are using WordPress website. So you look for WordPress, then click on WordPress. Now you need to go back to your website, which is your WordPress admin. Now this is my WordPress website backend. Now go to the plugin and click on add new plugin and search for SiteKit by Google. We are trying to connect the Google Analytics account to your website now through SiteKit by Google plugin. This one. So install.
activate. Now go to the Sitekey dashboard. Click on connect Google Analytics as part of your setup. Click on this. Now sign in with Google. So click on the Gmail you used to register your Google Analytics. Continue. Click on select all, then continue. Allow setup. Next. Now can you see that automatically it generates those accounts that we have opened previously on Google Analytics because we use the same Gmail account to connect to our website. So when you are connecting your Google Analytics account to your website, make sure that you use the same Gmail so that you can get the same results. So click on complete setup. As you can see in the tutorial.
Great. You now have Google Analytics set up and running. Give it a few hours to start collecting meaningful data. And if you want free Google Analytics checklist, click on the link in the description below and drop a comment below if you have any question. See you in the next video. Shalom.